string works. Let's see step by step. Let's start writing. Declare, give the function name here, function reverse dollar. Since it is going to return a string, so we have to put this dollar sign here as dollar here, cls. Let's give an input here, enter a string, as dollar. Then let's call the function here. The reverse of a string is reverse. What is the name of variable here? As dollar here. Next is a int. Now let's go for the function here. So function reverse dollar, so it is going to supply as dollar. Let's put as dollar here in the function. Okay, now what we need there? Reverse, just we need to extract last character. We have to put in first position, then second to the second position, and so on. Let's go for it. And for that, what we need there? We need to go for the loop, and loop is just to execute from the last part to first part. For I equals to 1, last means length, we have to find the length as dollar, to 1 step minus 1. Yes, next I. Okay, now what we need to extract the characters. Let's put the characters here. R dollar equals to R dollar plus we need mid function dollar. So what is the name of this string? As dollar. So as dollar here, as dollar. Then from which position? I we have to put here. How many characters we have to extract? 1, only 1 there, 1. So that's all, nothing more we have to do there. So it goes in there. After that, what we need there? Our reverse value. It is going to be stored in this R dollar, and at last we have to show this value to this function name. Yes or no? Let's put here reverse dollar equals to R dollar. Okay, everything fine there. Okay, let's save it and let's run it. So here is a spelling mistake, so it is being highlighted. Declare. Okay, let's run it. So taking full screen view, let's give here one value here, program, enter. So look here, reverse of string is program, M is in the beginning, then A, then R, then G, then O, then R, then P. Reverse or not? Reverse, yes. Okay, so this is how we can go for it. Now let's go for its dry run. It becomes clear to understand how it works. question 4. Now question 5. How many variables are there? First as dollar is there, then loop I equals to len to 1, next variable is I to len, and next variable is r dollar. So that was it, means we need only 3 columns. Let's make. First is a as dollar here. As dollar, what we are what we are assuming here, as dollar is here program. Yes. Now next part is a loop. So for I equals to 1, len as dollar to 1 step minus 1. Yes or no? Okay, so this is the case. Next is the r dollar equals to r dollar plus mid dollar as dollar I then 1. So this much we have to do. Okay, let's go for the first iteration. First iteration means when the loop runs first time. So what is the value of length? Length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes or no? 6 7. So first I is there 7. Yes or no? I is 7, length is 7 7. Now what is value of r dollar here? R dollar equals to, so r dollar initial value, it becomes 0 there. Yes or no? So what is the value of mid? Mid, it gives us as dollar is program, I is 7. 7 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, m means it becomes m. Yes, so that's all. Next time I, it becomes 6. Now what is value of r dollar again? R dollar equals to, previously it was m. Yes or no? M plus, and now it extract the what? A. So it becomes ma. Now next times I becomes 6, then 5. R dollar equals to, previously it was ma. Yes, now it becomes mid dollar. What is value of mid dollar here? 5. 5 means 1 2 3 4 5 r, 1 2 3 4 5 r. So it extract r there, so it becomes mar. Yes. Next time what is value of I? That is 6. Now what is the value of r dollar? Equals to, r dollar equals to, previously it was mar. Now it becomes 4. It becomes 4 here. 4 means 1 2 3 4 g. So it extract g here. Mid function, it gets g. So we get here marg. Now in next iteration I becomes 3. R dollar, it becomes what was previous value? marg mark, then plus a mid function, it gives us third means 1 2 3 o. So it gives us o. So it becomes now margo. Okay. Now next time I becomes 2. So r dollar equals to what is equal to r, again r. Let's go for it. So margo plus r so it gives us margor. So what is the last value of I? 1. Now we get here r dollar equals to margor plus p, so it gives us margor p. So that's all. After that, actually condition becomes false, it exists there. After that, what happens? What is value of r dollar? Margo rp, and it is stored which variable? Reverse, yes or no? And it is called from the main module. So what is the output? Output is there margor and p. So this is the output. We just got it. Okay. Program, look here, margrp. Yes. Okay, so this is how we can write the dry run, and nothing more. Just we need to keep in mind that how many variables are there and what is the value of that variable it is being in the program. That much only. And to visualize that, we need to make this table, and we can see step by step the execution style of that program. I hope all you understood all this one.